This is Activity 2.5 on page 46, Adding, Deleting, and Modifying Slides. We have our My Team Orientation PowerPoint presentation open. We also have the Team Orientation Notes document still open in Word. And another file that we'll be working with in this activity is titled Develotech History, which is a PowerPoint file. You remember that a colleague created some beautiful slides with company mission and team vision statements. You think they would be appropriate for your orientation, so you decide to use the slides in your current presentation. You realize you need to insert some slides to introduce the team members and the current projects. Finally, you need to hide and delete some template slides you will not need. Number 1, reuse slides from another presentation. We want to make sure that we're currently on slide number 3, and we're going to go up to our Home tab in our Slides group, New Slide drop-down, and we're going to select at the bottom, Reuse Slides. This will open up your Reuse Slides task pane to the left, and this is pulling slides from a different PowerPoint presentation file. So we're going to click on Browse, and we're going to navigate to our home drive, PowerPoint Part 1, Developing a PowerPoint Presentation subfolder, and we want the presentation file of Develotech History. Select that and click Open. And this is going to show us thumbnails of the slides that are currently in the presentation that we selected. So Develotech History has 3 slides in it: Develotech, Slide 2, and Team Vision. In our Reuse Slides pane, we're going to select Slide 2, and we're also going to select Team Vision. And then we can close out our Reuse Slides task pane. So you can see it inserted copies of those 2 particular slides after the slide that we had selected. So we had slides 3 selected, so those 2 slides became 4 and 5 in our presentation. Number 2, we want to hide a slide. We're going to go back to slide number 3. We're going to right-click from here, and we're going to select Hide Slide. You can now see that the number 3 in our thumbnails pane has a slash through it. That's telling us that this slide is now hidden. So if we were to play this presentation out, it would not be shown. Number 3, we're going to duplicate a slide. We're going to move over to slide number 6. On our Home tab in our Slides group, select the New Slide drop-down, and we're going to duplicate selected slides. So you can see slide number 7 became a duplicate of 6. It's almost like a copy and paste. On our duplicate slide, we're going to revise the text in the title placeholder to be Who's Who on Our Team. Number 4, change the layout on the duplicated slide to add a picture placeholder. We're going to go up to our Slides group, our Layout drop-down, and we're going to change the layout of this particular slide to Picture with Caption. So now we have a picture placeholder. Number 5, insert a new slide into the presentation. After slide 7, insert a slide in the presentation with the title and content layout. So from our new slide drop-down, we want to select title and content. So that will become slide number 8. We're going to change the title placeholder text to current projects. And from the Word document, we're going to copy the text in the Current Projects section and paste it in the Content placeholder. So we're going to switch back over to our Word document by hovering over on our taskbar, and the Current Projects section. We're going to highlight all of the bullet points in this section, copy this to our clipboard. We're going to switch back to our PowerPoint presentation, click into our content placeholder, our paste drop-down arrow, and we're going to use destination theme. We can then close out of our Word document, so we can switch back over to that, and we can exit Word completely. Number 7, delete a series of slides. In our left pane, we're going to select slide number 12. This is titled Other Resources. We're going to press and hold down our Shift key and select slide 14. So when holding down Shift, it's going to select the first one, the last one that you selected, and anything in between. So right now, 12, 13, and 14 are selected. You're going to hit your delete key, and it will delete all 3 of those slides for you. Number 8, delete non-contiguous slides. In our left pane, we're going to select slide number 2. This is titled Agenda Topics to be Covered. We're going to scroll down and hold down our Control key and select slide number 9, which is Company Policies. And still holding down our Control key, we're also going to select slide number 10. And then hit your Delete key to delete those 3 slides. I'm going to go up to my Quick Access toolbar. I'm going to save my updates to this presentation file, and we can leave this open for our next activity.